And Luigi came in, he took my spot, and he took half my stars. Oh, hello! Welcome back to Untitled Science Lab. I am Dr. Mr. Science Man. Did you guys have fun doing the Make It Snow experiment last time? Do you guys want to do another experiment this time? All right, Dr. Tibia, you know what that means?
Spin the wheel, spin the wheel.
Yeah, let's spin the wheel and find out. All right, let's get to spinning. Whoa, static electricity, how shocking. But first, fun fact of the day with Dr. Tibia.
Did you know it's really hard to do static electricity experiments when it's raining? Because of the humidity! Now back to you, Mr. Science Dude.
It's Dr. Mr. Science Man. All right, so the first thing you'll need is your kit. You can get the kit from Santa Catalina Library. You can sign up for it at the link below or go to the Pasadena Public Library website. Next thing you'll need is some form of fuzzy jacket, maybe a blanket, stuffed animal, teddy bear, anything like that will work. We're going to use that to charge up our balloons to create some static electricity. Next, you'll need some scissors and some tape. We're going to use these to cut out little characters and make them move. We'll get into that in a bit. And finally, you will need a water bottle and some kind of aluminum can. And we're going to do some really interesting things. So, let's get started! So, for this first experiment, you'll need a balloon, something fluffy, and a person with hair. All right, first you rub the balloon on something fluffy. Then you bring it near somebody's hair, and their hair will stick up. The next experiment, same thing, rub the balloon on something fluffy, and then bring it next to somebody's hand, and... All right, that was pretty cool. All right, next experiment. For this experiment, you're going to use your tissue paper and one of the balloons. Using the tissue paper, you're going to cut out one of your favorite designs and tape it to a piece of paper. Here I have a little man I've cut out, as well as a little butterfly. So next, you're going to use the balloon and rub it against your hair. Oh wait. Well, rubbing it against your shirt works as well. And then, you're going to make your little designs dance. Look, he's dancing. That's pretty cool, huh? And here, you're going to make the butterfly fly. Woo! That's great. And once you're done, you can just pick up the mess using the balloon again. There you go. All right, that's how you make paper dance. For this experiment, you'll need a pencil, a balloon, as well as a water bottle from home. First, put the water bottle down. Make sure the top is nice and flat so you can balance your pencil on top of it. Next, charge up your balloon and spin the pencil. And you can do this for a few seconds before it falls off, depending on your bottle. But you can make a game, see who can spin it the longest. After that, not only can you spin a pencil, you can also make a can roll. You can make a game out of this too. See who can roll their can off the table first. And whoever sticks their balloon to the wall first wins! Alright, for this experiment, you're going to need a balloon and a stream of water. Here I have a sink. So, first you charge up your balloon. I had it quite charged earlier. And you're going to bring it up really close to the stream of water. And you're going to move the water. That's pretty cool. There you go. That's your first step to becoming a waterbender. Wasn't that fun, Dr. Tibia? All right, I'll let you guys do some more experiments at home. You'll be surprised how many things are affected by static electricity. All right, well, I'll see you guys next time on Untitled Science Lab with Dr. Mr. Science Man.